Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzati binti Miswan and I am from Group 2. Today we will be going to present the case study report for knowledge management subject entitled Evaluating Knowledge Management in Digital Service Delivery, a case study of Malayan Banking Berhad Maybank. Our group consists of 5 team members, which is me, Nur Izzati binti Miswan, dan Putri Nurdiana Amira binti Rostan, Hanis Farah Liana binti Zainuddin, Nur Nabila binti Abdul Muttalib, and Nur Ayuni binti Muhammad Asri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Izzati binti Miswan, and I'm going to start with the introduction of the organization background and the digital service delivery provided by Maybank. Okay, the history of the Maybank company dates back to the time of its incorporation on May 31st, 1960, and it started its operation on September 12th, 1960 in Kuala Lumpur. The bank was established by a Singaporean business tycoon named Tan Sri Hu Tek Puat and his business partner, which is Oi Dong Lee, with the objective of filling a large gap that existed in the provision of financial service to Malaysian business. And Maybank is the Malaysia's largest bank and a leading regional financial services group in ASEAN, with a mission to humanize financial services. The headquarters in Kuala Lumpur, it is offer comprehensive banking, Islamic finance, insurance and investment services across 9 countries including Singapore, Indonesia and the Philippines. Next, I will continue on the digital service delivery provided by the Maybank. Okay, as online retail grew, Maybank has introduced digital solutions to improve convenience and reliable platform. Okay, these include Maybank to You Pay for seamless online payment, the Maybank Heart platform to support NGOs through digital fundraising, and Maybank QR Pay for cashless QR transaction. In 2019, Maybank further enhanced digital banking with the launch of May, an integrated e-wallet offering greater convenience to users. Maybank to You is Maybank official online banking site where you can handle your accounts, send money, pay bills, and invest all from your computer or phone. It is basically a full digital banking service, and they have put all the banking stuff and live features together in one spot. Next, I will continue with May apps. Okay, May is an e-wallet which customer may open via Maybank mobile banking application without visiting the branch. Customer are able to bank instantly upon sign up. Okay, each customer can only have one May. May is a Maybank new apps that kind of does it all. Okay, it brings together the good old Maybank to You banking stuff with handy tools for budgeting and even a tabung feature to help you save. Okay, you will also need May for all your secure to you approval when you do Maybank transaction. It's replacing some of those older Maybank to You app functions to make things more secure and easier to use. Okay, basically May is the Maybank future lah. It takes your existing Maybank to You ID and brings it all together into one apps that handle all your banking and how you spend your money.
Thank you, Izati, and hi everyone. My name is Putri Nalana, and I will explain about the literature review on how banking has changed. And we are not just talking about moving money, but we are talking about moving knowledge. So we are going to look at how banks stop relying on memory and start to use digital brains. And we will see how many banks absolutely changing their game. Okay. Okay, let's rewind a bit. In the traditional era, knowledge was taxed, and that is just a fancy way of saying it was locked inside the head of the branch manager. For example, before this, if you want to take a loan, you rely on their memory and their mood, right? But now with digital transformation, it has flipped the script. We have moved to explicit knowledge where the bank has to take all the complex brain power and turn into a simple button on your phones. And this is not just about attack. This is about using AI to fix problems before you even know you have them. And this will empower you to make decisions without waiting for a human. So what powers a digital bank? It is called intellectual capital. Think of it as a bank collective brain power, and it stands on 3 pillars. So the first is human capital. This is the safety net. When the apps cannot solve your problem, you need human with empathy to step in. Next is structural capital, and this is the digital backbone because the app doesn't go home at 5 p.m. It is code and logic that will work for you 24/7. And lastly is customer capital. This is the relationship with you, and this is not just about money. This is about the feeling like the bank actually listen to us, and that is very important.
This study using quantitative survey-based methods to examine knowledge management in main banks, digital service delivery, focus on mapping to and MAE platforms. In this study, there are 35 questions across 8 sessions was created to evaluate how organizational intellectual capital influence the efficiency of online banking, especially for main bank users. The thematic sections of the survey contains background information, including user demographics and usage frequency, which aid in knowledge management within digital service delivery.
I will continue with the finding and analysis. A survey was conducted to study the organizational intellectual capital and its effectiveness on Maybank online banking for its users. A total of 50 respondents' data collected. Figures shows that the majority of the respondents, which is 47.1%, are using the May application as a digital platform in Maybank, whereas the minority of the users, which is 17.6%, are using Maybank to use as the Maybank digital platform. Somehow, we acquired that 35.5% of the respondents are using both digital platforms equally. Then we can see that the result indicates nowadays people would prefer to use mobile application to do any transaction as it is convenient to them. Okay, next, for the finding and analysis, we will focus on the 5 focus area in the knowledge management, which is first, knowledge strategy in digital transformation, knowledge sharing and retention, human capitals and digital skills, customer knowledge and feedback, and lastly, challenges and gaps in the knowledge management.
Thanks to my team members. Next, I will continue with the how Maybank use knowledge management to drive its digital transformation. So, Maybank and MAE are Maybank main digital banking platform offering online banking, mobile banking, and e-payment service. To make this platform work smoothly, Maybank collect and share information from customer feedback, staff knowledge, and data through KM. The survey result revealed the most users find the information on Maybank to you and MAE clear and easy to understand, with 54% strongly agree and 31.4% agree, while only a small number disagree. This shows that Maybank is successfully using KM to deliver clear, accessible information, improving the user experience and supporting efficient digital service delivery. In short, Maybank KM practice are helping the bank stay competitive in the digital era while keeping user happy. So, as you can see here, the survey results show that most respondents agree that Maybank to you and MAE make banking service easier to understand. About 47 strongly agree and 39% agree, while only 2% disagree and 11% were neutral. This clearly indicates that Maybank digital platform help users navigate banking procedure effectively. So, how does Maybank achieve this? It's all thanks to knowledge management. KM plays a key role in the planning, design, and implementation of Maybank digital service. From planning, knowledge about banking process and customers' needs is used to develop the right digital features. With the design, this knowledge is organized into simple, user-friendly contents in the apps. So user receive clear instruction and service information, making it easy to understand and use the platform. In short, the high levels of agreement from users shows that Maybank use knowledge management effectively to deliver digital service that are clear, practical, and user-friendly. Next, how does Maybank helping customer make better banking decision? So, from this survey, over 70% of users find app updates useful for banking decision, which 41 strongly agree and 33% agree. How Maybank does it? So, Maybank using knowledge management. Maybank collect key info from product teams, customer service, and compliance, then share it clearly through app announcement. From this, customer will get updates on new features, promotion, and security alert, helping them stay informed and make smarter banking choice. This is important because customer will get clear, timely update, improve understanding, build trust, and enhance the digital banking experience. Lastly, help feature, which is facts and checkbox, make banking easier. Let's see how Maybank support user through its digital help tool. From this survey, most users find help features in Maybank to you and MAE useful, which 33% strongly agree and 33% agree these features support app usage. So most others were neutral and only a few disagree. How it works? So Maybank use knowledge management to collect and organize customer knowledge, then share it through fact, checkbox, and tutorial. Why this is important? Because these features help users solve problems easily, navigate the apps confidently, and improve the overall digital banking experience. As a conclusion, knowledge management strengthens Maybank digital transformation by making customer support smart, accessible, and user-friendly.
Okay, this section is going to focus on how Maybank uses the system or platform to capture and share service-related knowledge on the digital platform such as Maybank to You and May apps. This section indicates the strong effectiveness of Maybank to You and May in knowledge management. Based on the figures, it shows that most of the respondents, about 72.6%, agreed or strongly agreed that Maybank to You and May provides complete and well-organized information about product and services, while only 3.9% of the respondents disagree and none strongly disagree that Maybank to You and May provide complete and well-organized information about product and services. However, we can see that there are 23.5% of the respondents felt neutral, which suggests that although the information is mostly sufficient, it is still not enough for the users to fully utilize Maybank digital platform. You can see that this suggests the Maybank to You and May platform effectively captures and arranges organizational knowledge in a manner that is simple for users to comprehend and access. The clear structure of the content points to strong knowledge codification and a high quality knowledge repository, both of which are essential aspects of effective structural capital in knowledge management. Right. Then, based on the chart, we can see that the majority of the respondent, which is 86.2%, shows they agree and strongly agree that Maybank digital platforms, search and navigation function make it easy to find what they need. However, only 5.9% of the respondents show very low dissatisfaction with the digital platform. Search and navigation function make it easy to find what they need. On the other hand, we can see that 7.8% of the respondents are on the neutral side, where they find the application search and navigation function make them easy to find what they need. This result shows that the respondents' strong confidence in the app's usability and navigation design that make them prefer to use this application. Besides, the easy-to-use search and navigation means that the users can find the information they need quick and accurately, making knowledge sharing and transfer more effective. And this shows that Maybank's digital platform works well as knowledge sharing tools, helping to remove information barrier and support better decision making. Continue with the next chart. The figure shows 58.8% of the respondents agreed or strongly agreed that AI features such as chatbot and smart alerts in Maybank to You and May application can help to resolve issues quickly. Besides, the largest group selected neutral, which is 31.4%, while only 9.8% of the respondents disagree and strongly disagree that AI features such as chatbot and smart alerts in Maybank to You and May apps can help to resolve issues quickly. AI tools such as chatbot and smart alert function as knowledge-based systems that support rapid knowledge application and problem solving in knowledge management. The large percentage of neutral replies, however, raises the possibility that some users are not yet fully utilizing or trusting these AI features. Okay, in order to boost adoption and efficacy, this draws attention to possible ways to raise user awareness, offer more training, and improve system intelligence. Okay, continue with the next chart. The result shows a very strong agreement with 86.2% of the respondents saying that information in the Maybank to You or May application is always up to date and accurate. However, there is almost no disagreement in the result, with only 2% choosing to disagree and none of the respondents strongly disagree. From the result obtained, the organization appears to have effective procedure for validating and maintaining its current knowledge, building consumer reliability, and facilitating effective decision making. Also rely on the use of effective information. This suggests the established knowledge governance and content management procedure from the standpoint of knowledge management. This procedure aids in keeping organizational knowledge up to date, pertinent, and in line with continuing operational and regulatory changes. In conclusion, the digital platform successfully enables the knowledge creation, storage, retrieval, and application processes. This improves Maybank's structural capital by enhancing the quality of service delivery, trust levels of customers, and knowledge sharing, thus inevitably fueling the organizational intellectual capital efficacy levels more comprehensively in the knowledge management. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ayini binti Muhammad Ashri. Today I'm going to explain about human, digital and capital skill at Maybank. Or in easy word, is what initiative taken by Maybank to upskill its digital service team. The first initiative taken by Maybank by introducing Future Ready program to enhance digital skill of its employee, which is in line with the bank vision to become digital bank of choice. The entire training curriculum is built on 6 skill areas, which is including digital awareness, data-driven decision making, human-centered design, agile technique, future communication, as well as risk and governance in digital age. The program also empower employees to manage with their own growth through various learning modules and participatory future-ready lab session where they can apply their new knowledge. As of March end, 91% of employees in Malaysia, Singapore and Philippines has been assessed for digital literacy, with over 200,000 completing foundational e-learning. In short, Maybank initiative effectively improve its digital literacy among its employees. The next initiative is Maybank Immersion Program. This program allows employees to gain practical experience in startup and fintech company, which are innovative and cutting-edge platform in the field of financial technologies. The last initiative is Go Disrupt Challenge and Maybank Go Ahead Transform program. This program gives employees the opportunity to engage in simulation and actual projects, which are essential components in the continuously changing world of digital banking.
So let's take a look at the real proof. We have analyzed Maybank to see if they are actually good at this customer capital thing. So whatever this is, it says yes, because 72% of users says it was like super easy to give feedback. But here is the kickers, okay? This is not just a suggestion box that goes into the trash, because 70% of the people feel like their feedback is taken seriously, and 74% people actually see the bank telling them like, hey, we fixed this because of you, okay? Because you asked. So this built a huge trust because they are taking your complaints and turning them into upgraded system. So does this strategy work? Absolutely yes, because active 4% of the user agreed that MAE apps fits their need perfectly. And this proves that Maybank is not just guessing, but they are co-creating the app with us based on the data, okay? And the most important number is 98% of the user would recommend Maybank to their friends, and that is almost a perfect score, okay? So in conclusion, Maybank is not just a bank anymore. It's a learning entity that takes knowledge from the users and cycle it through the system and then give it back as a better experience. And that is all from me. Thank you guys.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nabila and I'm going to talk about barriers in knowledge management in digital transformations and suggestion for improvement. So, knowledge management in Maybank's digital transformation faces significant challenges, including unclear information and technical issues, as well as problems in using apps of Maybank. So, these sections shows the barriers and gaps of knowledge management. Okay, so the survey above shows that most of the respondents agreed that this problem arises in the scale 4 and 5, indicating that Maybank's digital service delivery is still impacted by difficulties with knowledge management and system dependability, which means only a small percentage says that they had only minor problems. Overall, the results show that even though Maybank's digital transformation is largely successful, system support and information clearer enhancements are required to increase the effectiveness and service delivery of knowledge management. Okay, the second challenges or barriers is technical problems that reduce users' confidence when using the apps of Maybank, which is Maybank to you. So, the survey above illustrated how respondents perceive the effect of technological barriers on their trust in using Maybank's digital platforms. A large number of respondents selected scale
4, which is 31.4%, and scale 5, 21.6%, indicating that technical difficulties reducing their confidence when using the apps of Maybank. Therefore, investing in the right technology as well as monitoring and adapting is which is to address knowledge management barriers in Maybank's service delivery. Maybank should invest in appropriate digital technologies to fulfill its requirement for service delivery and knowledge management. By adopting integrated and user-friendly digital platform such as Maybank to You, Maybank can improve the accessibility, accuracy, and clarity of information within its mobile application. That's all from me.
As a conclusion, knowledge management plays an important role in supporting Maybank digital transformation through the Maybank to You and MAE platform. Clear information, user-friendly navigation, and accurate content help users understand banking service and make better decisions. So, Maybank focus on human capital development such as future-ready program, improve employee digital skill, and service efficiency. In addition, effective use of customer feedback strengthens customer trust and loyalty. However, technical issue and system reliability remain challenged, showing the need for continuously technology improvement and system monitoring to enhance service quality and user trust.
There are 3 suggestions for KM improvement. The first one is implement an integrated knowledge management system, which create a centralized platform where employees can easily share, access, and contribute knowledge. Number 2 is encourage a knowledge sharing culture among employees by arranging seminar, training session, and forum on a regular basis. And lastly, utilize technology and digital tools. Leverage AI and data analytics to capture and analyze knowledge flow within the organization. Explore collaboration tools like chatbot and intranet system to facilitate real-time knowledge exchange. That's all from me. Thank you.